Hello, super people. Another nice windy day. This is Super Martin Official. Still pulling grass here, but look at the wind. Very windy. Look at my nectarine tree. They're blooming. Look. But it's, whoa, look at that. It's so windy. Look at the tree. There is a wild cherry. My neighbor's tree is my calamansi, and it's start flowering. Flowering, and with there's more. It's windy, but it's not that cold. This is where I plant my upo. Right there. All the way there. Hi Ruby, this is Ruby, old Ruby. Look at that. Still have a lot of pomelo. And the loquat. Look at the loquat. Ooh, look what have fruits already, look. And this is the pink lemon. And look what we have here. We have the white branches. Amazing. Japanese plum is blooming too. And peaches is blooming too. Not too bad, it's so windy, the flower might fall. This is another sweet lemon tree, still young. Just cut the grass yesterday. This is my motorcycle, all covered up. Next week, next month, I'll buy new battery and start riding again. All the flowers are blooming, except my guava turn here. The leaves are turning red or pink, whatever. This is my garlic. They're getting bigger. This is the giant garlic. See that? It's still so windy. Mm. Our eggplant survive on winter. Wow, amazing. Okay, super people, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. And my wife is orchids. My mango is growing slowly but surely. Another 10 years maybe will bear fruit. Thank you. Thank you.